If you're looking for a durable and bright LED rock lights for your vehicle, look no further than Oracle Lighting. In this video, we'll take a look at some different mounting options for this very versatile and popular product. These are available in both white and color-changing versions and fit a wide range of vehicle applications. So let's look at some of the options for installation. The first method is mounting the pods using the hardware included in the rock light kit. You'll start by using the spacer to mark the placement for the bolt holes on the wheel well liner, then drill the 2 small holes. Then, if needed, mark the center for the wiring hole. The rubber spacer allows you to run the wire out of the front or side of the space, rather than drilling a hole for the wire to pass. With the wire routed, use the included hardware to mount in place. If you can't access the area behind the wheel liners to install the hardware, you can simplify the installation by using zip ties for mounting. While not as durable as using the included hardware, this method makes installation on some vehicles much easier. Once you choose the location, drill holes like we did in the previous option, then drill a second set of holes on either side. Lace the zip tie through these holes, securing the rock light pod in place. Trim off the excess and repeat as needed. If you don't have plastic wheel liners or are mounting the rock lights to a metal frame, you're in luck because we now offer exclusive magnet adapters for our rock lights. These adapters eliminate the need to drill, which makes for a hassle-free installation experience. You'll start by assembling the magnet to the pod with the included hardware. With this step complete, stick the magnetized rock light into any metal surface on your vehicle before connecting your cables, and you're good to go. Using the rock light as a dome or ascent light, you can also easily attach the pod securely to a roll bar using the included curved rubber adapters. Use the adapters to mark out your holes, and follow the same steps to drill through the metal before affixing the rock light to the spacer and securing with metal screws. We enjoyed reviewing different options for installation, so you can achieve the custom look you desire with these very versatile lights from Oracle. We are proud to offer products with superior durability, quality, and brightness. We hope you start your next project with Oracle. Be sure to visit at oraclelights.com or give us a call at 1-800-407-5776.